Good morning, students. Our session of Business Management 3. In the previous session, we have completed our unit number 2. Today, we are going to start our new unit, that is Modern Office Equipment and Office Automation. In this particular unit, we are going to see the introduction part, meaning and importance of office automation, objectives of office mechanization, advantages and disadvantages, factors determining office mechanism, then after kinds of office machines. In that, we are going to see the different machines like personal computer, photocopier, fax telephone, mobile, tele-answering machine, detecting machines, closed circuit TV, audio visual aids, and so on. So, this unit is about office automation. As far as the modernization is concerned, as we all know that nowadays each and every office use different kinds of tools, different kinds of machineries, and through that they are able to manage their whole office work in a proper manner. So, office automation and office mechanism, they both have their separate place, their strong separate place as far as the requirement of modernization is concerned. Introduction. Office automation refers to the varied computer machinery and software used to digitally create, collect, store, manipulate, and relay office information needed for accomplishing basic tasks. When each and everything's done automatically, then definitely that process save your time, that process save your energy, and few employees will be required. It will definitely decrease your cost of handling each and every equipments or each and every paperwork. So, automation, it means when we are keeping each and everything on our computers. No physical documents, no physical transactions, and no physical preparation of books of accounts will be there. Each and everything will be done on the basis of computers or on the basis of different machineries which is there in our office. So, through office automation, organization is going to handle their working with the digital media. Now, they are not going to prepare any notes, they are not going to maintain any vouchers, they are not keeping any records physically. Now, files are not there, no storage space is required. Now, each and everything will be there within a few inches, that is in your pen drive, in your hard disk, or in any other mode. In the previous unit, we seen the importance of filing and indexing. Now that unit is very useful when we are keeping our records physically. When the paperworks are there, at that time the need of indexing, the need of filing will be there. But as far as the computerization is concerned, now each and everything is on our computers, then there is no requirement of indexing, and but always there is no requirement of filing. Now computer do each and everything which our employees are doing, like they digitally create the data, they collect the different information from the different sources, they are going to store that collected data on a proper manner. Computer is able to manipulate the things, the transactions in which the errors and frauds will be there. And we can easily rely on this information, because when computer is going to handle the machineries, the chances of errors, the chances of fraud will be minimum to minimum. Then after, raw data storage, electronic transfer, and the management of electronic business information comprise the basic activities of an office automation system. Through computers, through any digital media, the organization is able to store their raw information in a proper manner, and with the help of digitalization, that raw data directly converted into our final information. Electronic transfer is possible. If you want to send your documents to another department, then no physical transfer is required. You just mailed your documents, you just share your documents in your computers. So electronic transfer is possible. And the management of electronic business, yes, nowadays each and every business is done on the basis of electronics. As we all know that there are many sales, many online sales are there. Amazon offers the maximum discount, Flipkart is there, then after Myntra is there. There are many sites which manage the electronic business, and this digitalization is really good for those organizations who want to sell their product on the international level and with the precise manner, and they are able to earn maximum to maximum profit out of it. Office automation helps in optimizing or automating existing office procedures. Organization is now free from each and every procedures. as everything done electronically. You are just supposed to enter a raw data. Now it is totally up to the machines. It is totally up to the computers that how they are transferring, how they are treating their data in a proper manner. When organization enter raw data in a computer, then first and foremostly computer itself make the analysis of the data and transfer this data to the particular department in which the information is belonging. So now electronic procedure in which there is no use of human brain, no use of human efforts are there. So now let's see further. The backbone of office automation is LAN. Which allows users to transfer data, mail, and even voice across the network. Now, with the help of LAN, the organization is able to transfer the data easily. Means a huge data is transferred within the fraction of second. We are able to mail our data so that it is available to those department, to those person in which the highest requirement of the data are there. And along with them, through digitally, we are able to send a voice addresses to the end users. All office functions, including dictation, typing, filing, copying, fax, telex, microfilm, and record management, telephone and telephone switchboard operation falls into this category. Which category? That is digital category, that is office automation category. Now each and everything is done with the help of computers and with the help of digital mode. So when the paperwork is not there, then the preciseness is able to achieve. ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનમાં ડેઈલી ઘણા બધા ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ થતા હશે, ઘણા બધા ડેટા ટ્રાન્સફર થતા હશે, પણ સપોઝ each and every transactions, each and every data જો ફિઝિકલ મેનરમાં હોય, એટલે પેપર હોય, વી હેવ વાઉચર્સ, વી હેવ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, એટલે પહેલાં પેપરને સ્ટોર કરો, વાઉચર્સને સ્ટોર કરો, દેન આફ્ટર એની એન્ટ્રી આપો લેજર્સમાં, લેજરના બેઝિસ ઉપર એની એન્ટ્રી રિસ્પેક્ટિવ બુક્સ ઓફ અકાઉન્ટ્સમાં જશે, બુક્સ ઓફ અકાઉન્ટ્સને સ્ટોર કરો, લેજરને સ્ટોર કરો, દેન આફ્ટર એના ઓથેન્ટિકેશનને ચેક કરવા માટે અગેન એને વાઉચર્સ સાથે કમ્પેર કરો. સો So this is really very lengthy process when the data is stored physically. But suppose imagine yourself કે પેપર વર્ક ક્યાંય કરવાનું જ નથી, તમે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનમાં કોઈ એક પ્રોડક્ટને સેલ કરો છો અથવા કોઈ પણ રો મટીરિયલને પરચેસ કરો છો, તો આ એક જ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શનની ઇન્ફોર્મેશન તમારે ડિજિટલ ફોર્મમાં મૂકવાની છે. કમ્પ્યુટર પોતાની રીતે ડેટાનું એનાલિસિસ કરશે, ડેટાને બાયફગેટ કરશે, ડેટા કયા સેક્શનને બિલોંગ કરે છે એ સેક્શનમાં ઓટોમેટિકલી ટ્રાન્સફર કરશે. એટલે જ્યાં ફિઝિકલ વર્ક નથી થતું, જ્યાં ડિજિટલી વર્ક થાય છે, ત્યાં પ્રિસાઇસનેસ, કરેક્ટનેસ આપણને હાઈએસ્ટ મળશે. અને એ પ્રિસાઇસનેસના બેઝિસ ઉપર ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન ઓથેન્ટિકેટેડ પ્રૂવ થશે અને ફર્ધર ક્રોસ વેરિફિકેશનની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ થશે નહીં. So that is really very good for the organization because it totally save money, it totally save the time, and it totally save the numbers of employees who are engaged after this lengthy process. Office automation was a popular term in the 1970s and 1980s as the desktop computer exploded on to the screen. રિવોલ્યુશન ઓફિસ ઓટોમેશનનું 1970-1980માં થયેલું હતું, કારણ કે જે રીતે ડેઇલી ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સની અમાઉન્ટ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થાય છે, જે રીતે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન એક્સપાન્ડ થાય છે, ત્યારે એક એવા ફોર્મેટની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ હતી કે જે ઇમિડિયેટલી બધું સ્ટોર કરે અને ઇમિડિયેટલી ડેટાને પ્રોસેસ કરે. Physically it is not possible, so human invert કોમ્પ્યુટરનું ઇન્વેન્શન એ પર્પઝથી જ થયેલું છે કે તમારા જે ડેટા છે એ પ્રોપર મેનરમાં તમે સ્ટોર કરી શકો. Office automation refers to the integration of office functions usually related to managing the information. Each and every information ને proper mannerમાં manage કરે છે. It means they are storing the information in proper manner. There are many tools used to automate office functions, and the spread of electronic processor inside computers as well as inside copier and printers is at the center of most recent advances in office automation. આપણને ખબર જ છે કે એક ક્લિકથી તમે તમારા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સને સ્કેન કરી શકો છો ઇઝીલી. વિથ અ સિંગલ ક્લિક યુ આર એબલ ટુ મેક ધ કોપી ઓફ યોર ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ, એન્ડ વિથ ધ સિંગલ ક્લિક યુ આર એબલ ટુ પ્રિન્ટ યોર ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ recent advances in office automation, that each and everything will be with a single click only. Raw data storage, electronic data transfer, and the management of electronic business information comprise the basic activities of an office automation system. આ ઓલરેડી આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરેલું જ છે, રો ડેટાનો પોઈન્ટ. સો હિયર આઈ એમ નોટ ગોઈંગ ટુ એક્સપ્લેનિંગ અગેન. revolution has been so complete and has infiltrated so many areas of business that almost all businesses use at least one commercial computer business application in the course of daily activity. ડિજિટલી કોઈ પણ ડેટાને સ્ટોર કરવા, ડિજિટલી તમારા બિઝનેસને મેનેજ કરવો હવે ડિફિકલ્ટ ટાસ્ક નથી. સો નાવ ઇન મોડર્નાઇઝેશન, હવે આપણને ખબર જ છે કે તમે તમારી ઘર પાસેના કોઈ નાના સ્ટોરમાં જશો તો પણ એ લોકો ડિજિટલ મીડિયાનો યુઝ કરે છે, ડિજિટલ પેમેન્ટને એક્સેપ્ટ કરે છે અને પોતાની ગુડ્સને they are selling digitally. So with the minimum period of time they are able to cover the maximum market. The modern history of office automation began with the typewriter and the copy machine, which mechanized previously manual tasks. ફર્સ્ટ એન્ડ ફોરમોસ્ટલી ટાઈપરાઇટરનું ઇન્વેન્શન થયેલું હતું અને દેન આફ્ટર કોપી મશીન. ટુડે, however, office automation is increasingly understood as a term that refers not just to the mechanization of tasks but to the conversion of information to electronic form as well. ખાલી ડેટાને સ્ટોર કરવો, ડેટાને મેનેજ કરવો, that is not the task of office automation, but the main task of office automation, that is the conversion of information in a proper manner so that that information is available electronically in our organization. The advent of the personal computer revolutionized office automation, and today popular operating systems and user interfaces dominant office computer system. આપણને ખબર જ છે કે કોમ્પ્યુટરને મેનેજ કરવું નાવ ડેઝ ઇટ ઇઝ રિયલી વેરી ઇઝી વન, એન્ડ before 20 years, 20 to 25 years, it was really very difficult to manage with the computers, but it is totally user friendly. Each and everyone can manage the information in a proper manner. Now the next point, that is meaning of office automation. Here a simple definition is given. You are supposed to remember this information in a proper manner. Office automation refers to the collection hardware, software and processes that enable automation of the information processing and communication tasks in an organization. It involves using computers and software to digitalize, store, process and communicate most routine tasks and procedure in a standard office. So that is the meaning of office automation. Then after, the basics of office automation. Here we are going to discuss the basic activity which office automation is performing in organization. Generally, There are three basic activities of an office automation system. First one, that is storage of information. Computer is able to store a huge information with the proper manner. Second one, data exchange. Through office automation, a large data, a huge data is exchanged in a proper manner. Then after, data management. Data is going to be managed in a proper manner so that the confusion will not be there in the mind of the person who is going to use this information. Within each broad application area, hardware and software combine to fulfill these basic functions in a proper manner. Now in a detail we are going to see the basis of office automation. The first one, that is information storage. The first area within office automation is information storage, which is usually considered to include office records and other primary office forms and documents. ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનના જે પણ ફોર્મલ પેપર્સ છે, જે પણ એના રેકોર્ડ્સ છે, જે બેઝિક ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ છે, એ બધા પ્રોપર મેનરમાં સ્ટોર થાય છે ઇન આર કમ્પ્યુટર. The rest you are supposed to read because it is really very easy one. I am giving 2 minutes of time. Please read the remaining information. Now the next one, data exchange. સિમ્પલ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું છું ડેટા એક્સચેન્જનું. તમારી પાસે અત્યારે કોઈ પણ ડોક્યુમેન્ટ છે, તમારી પાસે કોઈ વિડીયો છે, તમારી પાસે કોઈ પિક્ચર છે, એ પિક્ચરને તમે વોટ્સએપ થ્રુ તમારા ગ્રુપમાં શેર કરો છો. સો દેટ ઇઝ ધ સિમ્પલ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ ડેટા એક્સચેન્જ. ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનમાં હ્યુજ ડેટા હોય છે, જ્યાં સેન્ટ્રલ એરિયા હશે ત્યાં બધા ડેટા સ્ટોર થયેલા હશે. Then after from the central area, that central computer is going to exchange the data, the relevant data which is belong to that particular department, that particular unit itself. So data exchange is, while data storage and manipulation is one component of an office automation system, the exchange of that information is another equally important components. અહીં આપેલું જ છે that electronic mail, voicemail, facsimile are the examples of electronic transfer application. The third point, that is data management. The data is going to manage according to their department, according to their importance and according to the length of their data, so that organization can easily use that data for their future purpose. and when they are going to compare their data, then it is easily available to them. So data management is also very important task for the office automation. So that's all about the basis of office automation. In the next session, we are going to see the importance of office automation. Till now, I am ending my session here. Hope you all are clear about each and every points. Thank you so much.